Welcome! In this tutorial, we'll run through how to create a cross-stitch pattern from a photo in the Love It Stitch It design tool. Before creating our pattern, we'll make some tweaks to the photo we want to convert, making sure it's a suitable type of photo file and size before uploading. Editing photos before uploading into the design software will save time and get the best results. We'll resize the photo so it isn't too large. An 800 pixel width should do the trick. We'll crop and center the image. In this case, we'd like the photo to be square in dimension. You can use any photo editing tool on your computer to do this, and there's lots of free tools online. Removing any unwanted or busy backgrounds from your image before importing will help. So you'll only stitch, in this case, the dog in the image and not the garden. It will also pull through the floss colours for the dog and not any unwanted backgrounds. Now we're ready to start creating the pattern in Love It Stitch It. First, add the design name and upload the image. We've ensured the file is of a format recommended. You can select a fabric count and project size too. If you don't select any, the tool will pick this for you based on the image. In this case, we're looking to create an 8-inch piece. You can tailor the number of maximum floss colours you want to work with. The tool will then pull through the closest DMC threads for your pattern. The photo has now generated on the design canvas. From here, we can make edits to the design before exporting. You can remove unwanted pixels, change colours, and add further personalisation. It's up to you. Work on your pattern in different views, such as colour blocks or stitches. You'll also find all the floss colours picked up from the photo on the left-hand side. If you find an unwanted pixel, simply erase it and tweak it to your liking. Want to make further changes? You can easily replace colours and add new ones too. The eyedropper tool is great for matching up areas. Ready to start stitching your photo? Make sure you save all of your progress. Before exporting your pattern, you're able to see a mock-up of what your design might look like in a hoop or a frame once it's stitched. You can also check your pattern is centered too. Now let's export it. Head to the File menu and select Export. Simply choose from the options and hit Export. Your PDF pattern will be emailed to you, so you can start stitching your favourite photo. Here's an example of what your PDF will look like. It will include all the finished sizes and stitch count. It'll contain your colour and symbols pattern, along with useful stitching instructions. Finally, the PDF provides you with all the thread colours and lengths required to complete your project. Thanks for listening and happy stitching!